Today's client workshop was absolutely fantastic. We had a really good group of clients and developers in the room, and we were talking around not just the reuse of steel in design and procurement terms, but also the disassembly and extraction of steel. And in fact, that was one of the key things that I took away from the session, was how developers and clients need to think beyond their project and incentivize their own teams and instruct them to extract as much steel as they can from these buildings, which will be the feedstock for future projects, whether it's theirs or another industry peer.
I think it's really exciting to see the Circular Steel events and how much of an impact it's having on the industry. You look a couple of years ago when no one had done it, we were all exploring these ideas, and now we're having these really detailed conversations with clients, and even yesterday some of the detailed discussions around fabrication and specifics. That's really exciting because obviously we need to accelerate this really quickly.
It's here, it's happening, there's proof of concept, good and bad. There's lessons that have been learned, not theoretical positions in the future. It's not, this is what we plan to do, it's what we've done, and here's what worked really well. Here's where it didn't work so well, which are equally important messages.
Today's session was excellent. It was a constructive build on yesterday's larger format session, and really what I experienced was other clients facing the same challenges, and the more that we group together, cross-communicate in terms of our learnt experiences, we've actually got the opportunity really to grow the reuse sector.
It was a really engaging group and some industry leaders in the room, so I think it'll be a really positive step for steel reuse, and looking forward to it.